So hello, my name is Brenan and I am a student at Dalhousie. I just recently graduated from environmental science and chemistry, and today I'm going to talk about my honors research and what I did this year. So my research is on spatially mapping organic carbon. So as we know, the oceans store a large quantity of carbon, and there's this idea of blue carbon. It's kind of a new idea that a lot of people are talking about. So blue carbon is carbon that is stored in marine ecosystems, and it's definitely an idea for combating climate change because we need to find natural solutions to find ways of storing carbon for long periods of time. So a lot of people associate blue carbon with kelp forests and salt marshes, but they actually don't think about marine sediments. So my research is looking at carbon stored in marine sediments, and they can store carbon for thousands to millions of years. So based on that idea, I wanted to apply a spatial component. So how can we actually look at organic carbon spatially? And there's this new technology called multi-beam echo sounder surveys. They can detect the hardness of the seafloor and the depth of the seafloor, so they give a continuous layer of what it looks like on the seafloor. So based on that, I'm able to create a substrate classification map, and with high resolution substrate maps, we can determine where that carbon is located on the seafloor. So yeah, my research was essentially, can we use these high resolution substrate maps to better estimate carbon and what's happening? I'm really inspired by this project just because it's such a new area of research. Not a lot of people are looking at carbon spatially, and because climate change is such a complex problem, there's so many different ways of combating it. So just being part of the solution really inspires me every day. So in the research of carbon, not a lot of people look at it spatially. They often collect sediment cores and then assume that the chemical processes of what's happening is just, they approximate it to the entire study site. But I think with my research, even though it's just a case study, it can definitely kind of shift the way we look at carbon cycling in our oceans and how we have to look at what's happening spatially. So kind of including that spatial component is definitely where I want to see the field going, and that's why I'm interested in it.